In this video, you'll learn how to use a VPN on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to secure your internet connection and protect your privacy while browsing online. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you have opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Network and Internet. After tapping on this option, scroll down the menu until you find the section titled VPN. This section is specifically for managing your VPN connections. Tap on VPN to proceed to the next step. Before continuing, ensure that you have a VPN service ready to configure. After accessing the VPN section, you will see an option to Add VPN. Tap on this option to begin entering your VPN configuration details. You will need to input various information provided by your VPN service, which may include the server address, username, and password. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields accurately, make sure to save the configuration by tapping on the appropriate option. If you prefer an easier setup, consider downloading a VPN app from the Play Store, as these apps can simplify the configuration process significantly. Confirm that all details are correct before moving on. Next, return to the VPN menu and select the VPN configuration you just created from the list. Once you have selected it, tap on the Connect button. You may need to wait a few moments while your device establishes the connection. During this time, the phone will display indicators showing that it is attempting to connect. Once the connection is successfully established, your internet traffic will be encrypted and secured. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy while online. If you wish to disconnect from the VPN at any point, you can do so from the same VPN menu. Simply select the connected VPN and tap on the disconnect option. This allows you to easily manage your VPN connection whenever necessary. Remember that using a VPN can help protect your sensitive information, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks or accessing restricted content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.